The U.S. Solid Pruning Shear USPES-001 features a robust brushless outrunner motor, providing powerful and efficient cutting performance for both professionals and gardening enthusiasts. Equipped with a high-quality nickel-cobalt-aluminum lithium battery, these shears offer a remarkable runtime of up to 9 hours, ensuring you can tackle extensive gardening tasks without frequent recharging. The dual-interface charger allows for simultaneous charging of 2 battery packs, significantly reducing downtime and enabling continuous operation for larger projects. An HD digital display on the pruning shears provides real-time updates on battery status and the number of cuts made, enhancing user efficiency and productivity. Designed with ergonomics in mind, these shears offer a comfortable grip and lightweight design, allowing for prolonged use without causing fatigue or discomfort. The high-carbon steel blades make pruning effortless, enabling users to easily trim plants, shrubs, and tree limbs, fostering healthier and more vibrant gardens.